Our job out here was to get that one wall, which we accomplished. Also, to help out the landowner, we took off the roof that had fallen down onto the loft. So that is all cleared off now. You got a little bit of footage of that. He's happy as heck, and I'm hoping that all of his friends are gonna call us so we can take down all of their barns. We were contacted. We have a one-day event going on. We don't even know what kind of barnwood's in here. Just going off of pictures. We're just gonna see what kind of wood there is on this old barn. It's fallen over, and the owner of this barn, he's trying to get down to the bottom and get all the floor in the 2x8s. I don't even know. This is all by phone call. So we're here now, and we'll see what we can do. Barnwood. As part of our business, we go out to old barns and outbuildings and we source them, we salvage them, we reclaim the wood for do-yourself type project builds, where you can come and build over our shoulder and we'll show you how we do it. There's always multiple ways of doing things. Like this video, this is only one. Sometimes we take the buildings down from the very top all the way down to the concrete. Sometimes we just go case by case, which is such for this video here. We should have took a lot more video. I'm sorry, but this is what you get. I never even got a before picture of the roof. This is what we cleaned up. We took off a ton of weight off of this roof and everything stacked back on the other side that was any good. Yes, believe it or not, off of that roof, we got a lot of nice wood to be saved for later. There's lots of wood, different ways to do this. Now we're using the Sawzall and we're cutting everything off of the studs. Now these studs are going to be saved, but for the purpose of them, nail-in studs are going to be just fine. So that helped us out tremendously, so we could kind of pick up the pace and get as much as we could, because only being out here for one day. However, you never know, might get invited back. Hit subscribe if you like this kind of video. Some of our videos we go into great depth, some of them we glance the surface, and others we're doing do-yourself type projects. Thanks for watching. By the way, the comment section below is where you can reach out to me. You name it, there's tons of space down there, so let's fill it up. I promise you that I'll get back to each and every one of you. Alright, let's go back to this short video. We did get a couple beams, two of them. They're gonna work out well. I don't know what we're gonna use them for, but they're definitely useful. Oh gosh, I don't even know how many square feet we got. There was that red siding, and then back behind that was the brown board is what we call it. So there must be, I don't know, 500-600 square feet here. Not too bad. And if you can have a look at the barn, like it's done for now. We might get invited back later. We tried to save all the 2x6s and 2x8s. He got a lot of nails out of those today. Super happy. And we saved this from a match. So far. There's still a little more to do yet, but that's not on our clock.